Did you know that before the Kaaba in Mecca became the Qibla, Muslims prayed towards a different direction? That's right, the first Qibla of Islam was Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. But why was it so significant, and why did the Qibla change? In this video, we're going to uncover the deep historical and spiritual reasons behind why Masjid al-Aqsa holds such a special place in Islam. Stay with us as we explore the story of the first Qibla and its profound connection to our faith. In the early days of Islam, when the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, received the command to pray, the direction of the Qibla was towards Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem, not the Kaaba in Mecca. This was before the migration to Medina, and Muslims prayed towards Masjid al-Aqsa for about 16 to 17 months. Why Masjid al-Aqsa? Jerusalem was a deeply significant city in Islam, home to many past prophets like Dawood alayhi salam and Sulayman alayhi salam. It was considered a place of great spiritual importance, and its mosque was revered. The early Muslims, including the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his companions, honored Masjid al-Aqsa as a sacred site in the same way that they revered Mecca and the Kaaba. This initial Qibla wasn't just about geography. It symbolized the connection between Islam and the earlier Abrahamic faiths, establishing a spiritual bond with the traditions of Judaism and Christianity. One of the most profound events in Islamic history, the Isra and Mi'raj, took place in the 10th year of prophethood. In this miraculous journey, the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was taken by Allah in one night from Masjid al-Haram in Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem, Isra. At Masjid al-Aqsa, the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, led all the previous prophets in prayer, symbolizing the unity of all Abrahamic faiths. From there, the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ascended to the heavens Mi'raj, where he received commands from Allah, including the obligation of prayer salah for the Muslim Ummah. This journey not only confirmed the sanctity of Masjid al-Aqsa, but also solidified its spiritual connection to Mecca and the Kaaba, strengthening its importance in Islam. The event marked a pivotal moment, linking the first Qibla, Masjid al-Aqsa, with the future Qibla, the Kaaba, in the hearts and prayers of Muslims. In the second year of Hijra, Allah commanded a significant change in the Qibla for the Muslims. The direction of prayer was shifted from Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem to the Kaaba in Mecca. This change is mentioned in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:144, where Allah reassures the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that this shift is part of his divine plan. Why the change? The shift to Mecca was meant to establish the unique identity of the Muslim Ummah, separate from the Jewish and Christian traditions. It was a way to center the worship of Allah around the Kaaba, which had been the first house of worship built for monotheism by Prophet Ibrahim, alayhi salam, and his son Ismail, alayhi salam. While the change might have initially caused confusion and uncertainty, it strengthened the connection between the Muslims and their new center of worship, Mecca. This pivotal moment in Islamic history marked the beginning of the Ummah's full spiritual and geographical focus on the Kaaba. Masjid al-Aqsa holds immense spiritual and historical significance in Islam, even after the change of the Qibla to Mecca. It is one of the three holiest mosques in Islam, alongside Masjid al-Haram in Mecca and Masjid an-Nabawi in Medina. The Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "Do not set out on a journey except to three mosques, Masjid al-Haram, Masjid al-Aqsa, and my mosque." Sahih Bukhari. The mosque is deeply connected to the event of Isra and Mi'raj, where the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, traveled there during the night journey before ascending to the heavens. This event solidified the mosque's importance as a sacred site in Islam. Furthermore, Masjid al-Aqsa is a symbol of unity for Muslims, as it is linked to all the previous prophets and is a focal point of worship, reflection, and devotion. Its historical and religious significance continues to inspire Muslims around the world.